Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the electromagnetic waves having different properties. Now, let us take the first wave from the electromagnetic spectrum, that is radio wave. The first wave from the electromagnetic spectrum is radio wave. How the radio wave is produced, or what is the source of radio wave? We know that when accelerated charged particle emits energy in the form of waves, it is known as the electromagnetic wave, or basic source of the electromagnetic wave is accelerated charge particle. Radio wave is the component of the electromagnetic wave. Therefore, source of radio wave accelerated motion charges in the conducting wire. Accelerated motion of charges in the conducting wire. Accelerated motion of चार्जेस इन द कंडक्टिंग वायर. अगर कंडक्टिंग वायर में चार्जेस की एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन है तो वहाँ से इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव इमिट हो रहे हैं और वो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव इज known as radio waves. Means basic source of electromagnetic wave is accelerated motion of charges in conducting wires. Now, what are the properties of radio waves? Radio wave having very long wavelength and very low frequency. They have very long wavelength ranging from few centimeter to a few hundred kilometer. Frequency range of radio wave are given here. Amplitude modulation band consists of frequency 530 kilohertz to 1710 hertz. Amplitude modulation band. We'll be see what is meant by amplitude modulation and so on in the next video. TV transmission radio wave having the frequency 54 megahertz to 890 megahertz. We know that megahertz means 10 to the power 6 hertz. FM radio 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. These are the properties of radio waves. All other properties having same as that of the visible light. They are reflected, refracted, and so on. The speed of the radio wave is that equal to the speed of the light and so on. The most important properties of the radio waves are two. They are a very long wavelength. They are having the frequency range, amplitude modulation band 530 kilohertz to 1710 hertz. टीवी ट्रांसमिशन के रेडियो वेव्स है, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है 54 मेगाहर्ट्ज टू 890 मेगाहर्ट्ज. एफएम रेडियो में जो रेडियो वेव्स है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 88 मेगाहर्ट्ज टू 108 मेगाहर्ट्ज. नाउ what are the applications or uses of the radio wave? These waves are used in wireless communication. These waves are used in the wireless communication. These waves are also used in radio broadcasting. These waves are used in the transmission of TV signals, cellular phones, voice communication in ultra high frequency. Means these are very important in the communication system. ये वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम में बहुत उपयोगी है. रेडियो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में इसका यूज हो जाता है और टीवी सिग्नल ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए भी उसका यूज होता है. सेलुलर फोन्स में यूज होता है, मोबाइल फोन में उसका यूज होता है. Therefore, See, remember that these are the four important applications or uses. First, wireless communication, radio broadcasting, transmission of TV signal, and cellular phones. Next wave, microwave. Microwave, source of the microwave is oscillator electric circuit containing capacitor and an inductor. If a electric circuit consists of capacitor and inductor, then the circuit, it is known as the oscillator, and this oscillator is used as the source of microwaves. Oscillator electric circuit containing capacitor and inductor is used as a source of microwaves. Now, what are the properties of microwaves? When the microwaves are incident on any body, the body will be get heated. This is the important property of the microwaves. When they heat certain substances on which they are incident, they can be detected by crystal detectors. They are invisible to human eyes, therefore they can be detected by crystal detectors. Uses: these waves also used for transmission of TV signals, long distance telephonic communication, used for cooking. We know that microwave oven, in this माइक्रोवेव ओवन में इसका यूज़ किया जाता है। माइक्रोवेव ओवन में हीट बढ़ाने के लिए इसका यूज़ होता है। रडार सिस्टम में इसका यूज़ होता है। सेफ्टी ऑफ एटॉमिक एंड मॉलिक्यूलर, टू स्टडी द atomic and molecular structure of the materials. These waves are used to study the atomic and molecular structure. Thank you.